मोहित से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो अपनी सीट पर बैठ जाएं एंड आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट डॉक्टर अब्राहम एंड मिस्टर मोहित प्लीज टेक योर सीट। और निवेदन करूंगा हमारे ब्रांड न्यू डायमंड मिस्टर गौकरण पटेल से कि वो आए और यहाँ पर अपनी सक्सेस स्टोरी शेयर करें। आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट अगेन मिस्टर गौकरण पटेल, ब्रांड न्यू डायमंड, टू प्लीज शेयर योर सक्सेस स्टोरी।
दोस्तों नमस्कार, जय जोहार, जय हिंद।
My name is Gaukaran Patel, but the whole country knows me by the name of Karan Patel, which is my nickname. I come from a small village with a population of 2000. I am from a very poor family. First of all, I would like to thank my parents who brought me to this world and took care of me. I struggled a lot and stayed in a hut for 15 years. During storms, our hut would be completely destroyed and we had to spend our night under peepal tree, drenched until morning. We then used to rebuild our hut as we could not build a concrete home because of poverty. I grew up and got married at the age of 19. I did not have any sister at home and my responsibilities increased. I did not have any work and neither I was educated. I am 10th fail. I did not have any other option. So I started doing labor work and rod work. During the month of May, June in summers, when the rods were red hot, my hands used to get burnt up and I could not even have my food. I was not getting enough work, so I thought of selling pani puris and started doing it. Slowly my economic situation got better in 2018. Ravindra sir called me up for Atomy and I joined Atomy. I just understood one thing, that this business is for 3 generations and I thought this can secure my kids' future, and I joined on 24th September 2018. I then submitted a video and a team was made and my seminar started. It was a challenge for me because I had no money for seminar. Since I had no money, I used to sleep on the railway platforms with beggars and used to travel for days without having any food or water and had also faced jail time. Things became more difficult in terms of Atomy. I had never seen a police station before that. I was taken to police station for boarding a ladies' coach in a train. During lockdown, there was no work, no money. It was getting difficult to manage my expenses and our family used to eat food only with chilies. I had no money for vegetables, not a single penny in my pocket and kids' condition was deplorable. Today I thank the entire Atomy family. I thank my entire team. I thank my entire upline. Jai Hind. Hail Atomy. May Atomy reach every home. After facing all these problems, I became Diamond and started in Atomy. Atomy is a business which can change the destiny of any person in this world. I am using its products for past 2 years. Anyone who uses such quality Atomy products will always use these products and nothing else. This is not something which needs to be told. The best thing about Atomy is the sharing culture and the attitude of helping others, which is one of the biggest thing for me and close to my heart. We work a lot in our lives, but seldom do we help others. I am confident that my family is completely safe due to Atomy, and if I can work with Atomy, anyone else can too. May Atomy reach every home.